We're learning how to do videography at the same time as learning how to work on this car, so this is all going to be really rough, so you all know. Lots of cut editing is going to happen on this first episode.
Welcome to my first Mustang. Na, 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 na.
Hello and welcome to my first Mustang. My name's Rob, this is Nathaniel. For those of you who've been following along on Instagram already, first of all, thank you so much for all the support, all the comments. But you know that I've been really struggling to get this first video out. Filming a car build with a 5-year-old is, well...
Dad, stop videotaping everything I say. Guess I'll leave it.
Wait. No, don't sit on me. Spiderweb.
No. Is it a spider? How will you put a red, blue, rainbow colors on it?
We're not putting rainbow colors on this car.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, to make it fancy.
Rainbow is fancy.
How about just red?
Maybe. Why are you giggling at me? Hmm? This is going to be a serious challenge. And not just because of the car. What are you doing? But for those of you who are new to the Instagram or to the channel, I gave a 1966 Ford Mustang to my 5-year-old. Now some of you, or maybe all of you, are probably thinking, what are you, insane? Why are you giving a 5-year-old a 66 Mustang? Well, you can tune in later for the answer to that question. But it is genuinely his car. I'm just along for the ride, getting the thing going. I know you're not here to listen to me talk about it. I know you're here to see the car, so without further ado. I couldn't find my hat, and it's January in Pittsburgh. All right, and this is it. Well, that is it. It is a 1966 Ford Mustang, a 289 V8. I know that because it says it right here. I don't even know what code it is. I actually don't know what the codes are. And we'll figure all that out together. But it is a hardtop body style. Or a coupe body style, I guess. Now, we bought this car off of an internet car auction site. It was in California, and we're in Pittsburgh, so we were really none the wiser. I didn't even know if there was an engine in it, but I don't know, it looks pretty clean. Let me see. Definitely the original paint, at least I'm pretty sure, because, I mean, check that out. I'm pretty sure that's UV damage to the paint around the impression of an air wrench. It's probably sitting on top of the car for a really long time. I mean, what do you guys think? So it's kind of a barn find, and we're gonna have you guys along while we try to get this thing going. Now, I am not much of a mechanic. I'm completely new to the Mustang world, definitely new to the car restoration world. I've done some brakes, some oil changes, things like that, but completely new to all of this. And honestly, that is where you guys come in. Because I know that there's a community out there on YouTube that's going to be able to help us out getting this car on the road. Nathaniel and I would like to say that we are so excited to have you along for this journey. We are
What's
a little
going
bit
on, Johnny?
adventure.
It's not an adventure.
Nathaniel and I are so excited to have you along on this project.
Yeah.
Okay. Nathaniel and I are excited to have you along on this project. We are a little bit nervous. Well, at least I'm a little bit nervous. And please help us out. Like, comment, subscribe. We are going to need all the help that we can get.
Can we go inside now?
Yeah.
Then let's go, Dad. Daddy, then let's go, Dad.
Hello and Nathaniel. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to the first episode. Nathaniel, stop, please. You broke the gas pedal.